Class Mammalia. Similarly, Mammalia is derived from Latin word mammae, which means breasts or nipples. They have mammary glands for the production of milk to nourish their young ones. Their skin has hairs and sweat and oil glands. They are warm-blooded animals. Their heart is four-chambered. Their body is divisible into head, neck, trunk, and tail. External ear pinna are present. They have four limbs. Diaphragm divides body into two cavities internally. They breathe through lungs. Mammals give birth to young ones except two mammals, Echidna and Platypus, which lay eggs. Some common examples of Mammalia are cat, rat, bat, monkey, chimpanzee, gorilla, and man.